In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your WhatsApp status not showing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, let's say you posted something on WhatsApp or someone else posted something on their status, but you can't see it. That can be really annoying, especially if you're trying to post something relevant or you're trying to see something that you want to see. So there's actually a very easy fix for this. The first thing that you want to go ahead and try and do is just close out of WhatsApp. So I'm going to swipe up and then just go ahead and close out of it. Then try and open it again and see if that works. If that still doesn't work though, you can go over to your settings application, which by the way, this works exactly the same on Android as well. So just go follow the steps similarly on your Android device as well, if you're having the issues over there. But scroll down until you're in apps. If you're on Android, then go to WhatsApp. And if you're on iPhone, what you want to do is go to General under VPN, then go to iPhone storage. Now, whether you're on Android or you're on iPhone, what you want to do is go and find WhatsApp over here. So I'm going to go and find press show all, then just go ahead and find WhatsApp. So I'm just going to search out the application right now. WhatsApp is right there. Now, all I want to do is go ahead and offload the app. This is basically going to free up storage by the app and also clear the cache, and then try and open up the app again. It might have a little installation phase again, but then you should be able to see all of the different statuses from yourself and anyone else, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.